Do you wake up feeling sluggish? Are you carrying extra weight? The answer to these problems might be simpler than you think. It starts with your liver. Your liver is a powerhouse. It filters toxins, produces bile for digestion, and plays a crucial role in metabolism. When your liver is overloaded, it can't function optimally. This can lead to a host of problems, including fatigue, weight gain, and digestive issues. The good news is that you can support your liver's natural detoxification process. By making healthy choices, you can help your liver work more efficiently. This will boost your energy, improve your digestion, and help you achieve your weight loss goals. It's time to unlock the power of your liver. If you want to learn more about natural remedies and powerful herbs to cleanse your liver and improve overall health, check out my book, Evidence-Based Herbal Remedies. It's packed with science-backed information on natural healing. Get your copy today on our website and Amazon. Link in the description. Start your day with a liver detox and fat burn boost. This powerful drink is made with natural ingredients. It's easy to make and tastes delicious. Imagine enjoying a refreshing drink every morning. This drink will help your body flush out toxins. It kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for a day of feeling your best. We'll explore the science behind this detox drink. You'll learn how it supports your liver and helps you burn fat. Get ready to discover a simple yet effective way to transform your health. Start your journey to a healthier, more energized you. Your liver is the largest internal organ in your body. It's located on the right side of your abdomen, just below your rib cage. This vital organ plays a critical role in over 500 bodily functions. One of its most important jobs is detoxification. Think of your liver as your body's filter. Every day it works tirelessly to remove toxins and harmful substances from your bloodstream. These toxins can come from a variety of sources. These sources include the food you eat, the air you breathe, and even the products you use on your skin. Your liver also produces bile. Bile is a fluid that helps break down fats and aids in digestion. When your liver is overworked, it can become sluggish. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body. You might experience a range of symptoms. These symptoms can include fatigue, bloating, skin problems, and difficulty losing weight. If you're constantly feeling tired, even after a good night's sleep, it could be a sign that your liver needs support. Bloating, especially after meals, is another common symptom of a sluggish liver. Your liver plays a crucial role in digestion. When it's not functioning optimally, it can lead to digestive discomfort. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to pay attention to your liver health. A gentle detox can help to support your liver's natural cleansing process. There are many ways to support your liver health. One of the simplest and most effective is to incorporate a liver detox drink into your daily routine. This type of drink is designed to help your liver flush out toxins. It promotes optimal liver function. The ingredients in these drinks are typically rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. A liver detox drink can be a refreshing and revitalizing way to start your day. It's a proactive step you can take to support your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for a healthy body. By incorporating this simple drink into your routine, you can give your liver the support it needs to thrive. Let's unlock the power of our first ingredient, the humble lemon. This bright citrus fruit is known for its refreshing taste, but it's also a potent detoxifier. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your liver from free radical damage. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that can harm your cells. Vitamin C helps neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your liver healthy and strong, but that's not all. Lemons also contain a compound called citric acid, which has been shown to stimulate bile production. Remember, bile is essential for breaking down fats and aiding digestion. By increasing bile flow, lemons help your liver function more efficiently, allowing it to eliminate toxins more effectively. So, when life gives you lemons, add them to your morning detox drink. Your liver will thank you for it. Next up is turmeric. the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. This vibrant spice not only adds flavor to your food, but also packs a powerful punch when it comes to liver health. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its many health benefits. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the liver. Inflammation can be a sign of liver damage, so reducing inflammation is crucial for supporting liver health. But that's not all. Curcumin has also been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and alcohol. It does this by boosting the activity of enzymes that help detoxify the liver. In addition, curcumin helps improve fat metabolism, which can aid in weight loss and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. So, sprinkle a dash of turmeric into your detox drink and experience the golden benefits for your liver. Now let's talk about ginger, the spicy root that's renowned for its ability to soothe digestive discomfort. Ginger has long been used to relieve nausea, indigestion, and bloating. But did you know that ginger is also a powerful liver supporter? Ginger contains potent antioxidants, including gingerols and shogals, which help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, promoting overall liver health. But that's not all. Ginger also helps stimulate digestion by increasing the production of digestive juices. This can help reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. Adding ginger to your detox drink not only enhances the flavor, but also provides soothing relief to your digestive system while supporting your liver's natural detoxification process. So, embrace the spicy kick of ginger and give your liver the support it deserves. These three ingredients, lemon, turmeric, and ginger, work together synergistically to create a powerful liver detox and fat-burning drink. Each ingredient brings its unique properties to the table, and when combined, they create a symphony of health benefits for your liver. Lemon, with its vitamin C and citric acid, kickstarts the detoxification process by boosting bile production and protecting the liver from free radical damage. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties, helps reduce inflammation and protect the liver from toxins. In my book, I go deeper into how turmeric and other herbs help detoxify the liver naturally and support digestion. You can find simple and effective herbal remedies like this in my book. Check it out in the description below. Finally, ginger, with its soothing digestive properties and antioxidant power, helps calm the digestive system while further supporting the liver's detoxification process. Together, these three ingredients create a harmonious blend that supports your liver health and helps you achieve your weight loss goals. So, why not give your liver a treat and enjoy the combined power of these three natural detoxifiers? But don't just take our word for it. Numerous scientific studies have backed up the liver-boosting benefits of lemon, turmeric, and ginger. Research has shown that lemon juice can help protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol consumption. Studies have also demonstrated that turmeric can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, promoting overall liver health. And let's not forget about ginger. Scientific evidence has shown that ginger can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and improve liver function. So rest assured that this detox drink is not just a fad, but a scientifically proven way to support your liver health. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll guide you through the simple steps to prepare this revitalizing drink. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of this liver detox and fat-burning drink, let's gather the simple ingredients you'll need. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy or expensive items. In fact, you probably already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. First, you'll need one fresh lemon. Choose a lemon that's firm and heavy for its size, as this indicates juiciness. Next, grab a knob of fresh ginger root, about an inch long. Look for ginger that's firm and free from wrinkles. Finally, you'll need a teaspoon of ground turmeric. If you have fresh turmeric root, you can grate a small amount, about half an inch, for an even more potent flavor. Now that you have your ingredients assembled, let's move on to the easy preparation process. Making this detox drink is incredibly simple. Start by washing the lemon and ginger thoroughly under cold water. Next, juice the lemon using a lemon squeezer or by cutting it in half and squeezing the juice into a measuring cup. You should have about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now, let's prepare the ginger. If using fresh ginger root, peel a small piece about 1/2 inch and finely grate it using a microplane or the fine side of a grater. If using ground ginger, you'll need about a 1/4 teaspoon. In a glass or mug, combine the lemon juice, grated ginger or ground ginger, and turmeric powder. Add 1 cup of warm water to the mixture. The water should be warm but not boiling hot, as this can destroy some of the beneficial compounds in the ingredients. Now stir the mixture well until all the ingredients are combined. Your liver detox and fat-burning drink is ready to enjoy. For optimal results, we recommend drinking this liver detox and fat-burning drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients and antioxidants more efficiently. You can enjoy this drink daily or a few times a week, depending on your preference. However, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust the frequency as needed. While this drink is generally safe for most people, some individuals may need to exercise caution. If you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking any medications, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before incorporating new drinks or supplements into your diet. Additionally, if you experience any discomfort after consuming this drink, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. Congratulations! You've just taken a proactive step towards a healthier liver and a happier you. By incorporating this simple yet powerful detox drink into your routine, you're providing your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing drink that not only tastes delicious but also supports your liver health, boosts your energy levels, and helps you achieve your weight loss goals. This liver detox and fat-burning drink is more than just a drink. It's a ritual, a commitment to your well-being. So go ahead and savor every sip, knowing that you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Cheers to a healthier, more vibrant you. Imagine waking up each morning and taking a few minutes to care for your body's most powerful detoxifier, your liver. This simple act of self-care, incorporating this refreshing lemon, turmeric, and ginger drink, can bring about remarkable transformations. The benefits extend far beyond just a morning ritual. They weave themselves into the fabric of your day. Picture this. You wake up feeling lighter, less weighed down by the sluggishness that often accompanies mornings. Your digestion feels smoother, your energy levels more balanced, and you notice a renewed sense of vitality within you. This isn't just a quick fix, it's about making a conscious choice to support your body's natural detoxification processes. As you consistently incorporate this drink into your routine, you might observe improvements in your skin's clarity, a reduction in bloating, and a newfound ease in managing your weight. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of this detox drink. Make it a part of your daily self-care ritual and experience the transformative power of a healthy liver. As you embark on this journey to a healthier liver and a more energized you, remember to listen to your body's signals. Every individual is unique, and what works wonders for one person might require slight adjustments for another. Pay attention to how your body responds to the detox drink. You might find that starting with a few days a week and gradually increasing the frequency suits you best. Perhaps you'll discover that adding a dash of black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making the drink even more potent. The key is to personalize the experience and make it your own. Embrace the subtle changes you observe in your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your body. After all, this journey is about empowering you to take control of your health and make choices that support your overall vitality. This is more than just a drink, it's a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. By incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into your life, you're joining a community of individuals who prioritize their well-being and understand the importance of a healthy liver. Share this knowledge with your loved ones, inspire them to embark on their journey to wellness, and together, Let's create a ripple effect of health and vitality. Remember, taking care of your liver is an investment in your long-term health and happiness. If you're serious about improving your health naturally, my book, Evidence-Based Herbal Remedies, is a must-read. Inside, you'll find scientifically proven herbs and simple ways to cleanse your liver, boost energy, and improve digestion. Click the link in the description to grab your copy on our website and Amazon. If you found this information valuable and are eager to delve deeper into the world of natural health and wellness, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. We are passionate about empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to live your healthiest, most vibrant life. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the incredible power of natural remedies and discover simple yet effective ways to enhance our well-being. Here's to a healthier, happier you.